Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing A Riffle in Time Tarot. It came in the mail yesterday and here it is. Can't wait to show it to you. This deck was created by Cassie, A Riffle in Time here on YouTube, and she also has an online shop of the same name, A Riffle in Time. Oh, that's beautiful. 3 of vials. I'm not sure what this is from, but it's beautiful. Very cool. And she did a walkthrough on her channel of this deck, the prototype, a little over a month ago, I think. And I knew as soon as she had it in stock, I wanted to buy it. So when I saw that she had stocked it, I ordered it right away, and it's here. The box is gorgeous. Here's Cassandra Losi, ariffleintime.com. I have placed multiple orders from her shop. She has a very thoughtfully curated selection of tarot and oracle decks, and most of them are indie decks. She does have a few mass market, I believe, that maybe started out as indie decks, but the selection is just lovely. So let me get this to cut the plastic. I am so excited about this deck. It is a photo collage deck, and she calls it a tarot oracle because you can use it either way. You'll see what I mean as we go. There's the backs, just like the pictures on the box. It's just photos. It's gorgeous. I love all of her choices. And for titles, she has keywords. So for the full, fresh start. It also has down in the corner the traditional number for the card. So you can use it as an oracle, or it has the tarot symbol there to remind you of what each card is. And she has a couple of options for multiple cards in this deck. This is another option for the full with keyword trust. I'll have to decide which one I want to use, and I may just alternate them. The Magician, manifestation. High Priestess, intuition. Oh, it's so beautiful. I just love this deck. I knew I was going to. And of course, the cardstock is amazing because on her shop, Cassie gives all of the decks a Riffle score. And her channel is A Riffle in Time, and the deck is A Riffle in Time, so obviously it's going to be lovely to shuffle. Gorgeous. Control for the Emperor. She has 2 Hierophants, Download and Knowledge. And they're both just perfect for the Hierophant. For the Lovers, she has Choice and Commitment. So many of her keywords are also my keywords. She talked about using the book Unlocking the Tarot by Lisa Pepez to choose keywords. And I did the same thing. And a lot of these are suggested ones that Lisa made. Of course, you can choose your own. She gives you options in the book of how to choose, make a choice about your keywords. A lot of the ones that she suggested are perfect. I did come up with some of my own just by reading, her suggestions of how to pick one. The Chariot. Every card is just Perfect for what it is, resilience for strength. She has 2 hermits, withdrawal and reflect. For the wheel, we have cycles and change. I love both of them. Discern, I like that keyword. Really good for justice. Perspective or suspension for the Hanged Man. Transformation for death. Beautiful. Balance. Oh, toxic. Or temptation. I have a feeling I'm going to be just alternating some of these optional cards because I like both of the choices. Upheaval. That's a powerful Tower card. Hope for the Star. Illusion. Joy. Rebirth. With the snake shedding its skin. And then the bud on the tree. Very nice. Wholeness. I did watch her walkthrough, and I've heard her talk several times about the deck, but I haven't watched it since she did that walkthrough a little over a month ago. I wanted to wait until I had it in my hands and experience it myself. So even though I've seen these cards, and I do remember a few of them, I am kind of just seeing it for the first time with you. And it's so nice to have it in my hands. We're into the fire suit, or the wands. This is the Ace of Wands. And so down here, she's got the little symbol of the element, so you know where you are all the time. Planning and strategy. Oh, this was cool. She showed this on her channel. You've got planning and strategy, and then planning and implementation, taking the action. That speaks so clearly to the RWS 2 and 3 of Wands, I think. Milestone for the 4. Competition for the 5. Perfect. Hockey game. Validation. This is a cool one too. Offensive, defensive. Momentum. This is really cool too. I like that for momentum. Determination. Definitely looks like determination. Another one of my keywords for the 9 is tenacious, and that's also portrayed there perfectly. 10, burnout. That's a perfect choice for the 10. And then the page, inspired. And again, we still have the symbols, and I use the same system she does, so this is easy for me to remember. To me, the page is the earth of whatever suit you're in. So this is earth of fire. And then the knights are fire, so fire of fire. The queens are water, so water of fire. Creative for the queen, that's beautiful. For the Queen of Wands. And then visionary for the king, who is air of fire. Now we're into the cups, overflowing for the ace. Connection, wonderful, I love that. The 3, friendship, oh, it's so pretty. Having a little conversation over drinks. She makes such wonderful choices for all of these. Stagnation for the 4. That's my keyword also for that one. Grief for the 5. Yeah, so many of these are also the keywords that I chose, so makes it easier for me. Don't even have to look at the symbol because I know my keywords. Nostalgia. Choices. Departure. Let it go. Nine, content. And 10, bliss. Now we're in the court cards. Page, sensitive, page of cups, perfect. Lover. Compassionate. And emotional stability. I like that for the King of Cups. Now we're in the air suit. Discover for the Ace of Swords. Indecisive for the 2 of Swords. Perfect. I can't. I know that feeling, that stuck, indecisive feeling. 3 of Swords. 4 of Swords. Pause. Take a break. 5 of Swords. Disagreement. 6 of Swords. 7 of Swords. Lies, secrets, deception. 8 of Swords. Powerless. Oh, that's a powerful image. Anxiety for 9. And the end for the 10 of Swords. Curiosity for the Page of Swords. Very sweet. Direct for the Knight of Swords. I love that eagle. Oh, and she's got, looks like a bird for each of the, there was a crow on the Page of Swords, Page of Air, an eagle on the Knight of Air, and now there's an owl on the Queen of Air, and a raven on the King of Air, strategic. And we're in the Pentacles now. Seed, opportunity for the Ace of Pentacles. Balance for the 2 of Pentacles. Collaboration for the 3 of Pentacles. Security for the 4 of Pentacles. Hardship. Broke into the piggy bank for the 5. Reciprocity for the 6. Patience for the 7. Dedication for the 8. Indulge for the 9. Oh, life legacy, that's wonderful for the 10. Diligent for the Page. Earth of Earth, that's perfect. Consistent for the night. Nurture. Oh, I love that Queen. This is one of my favorite cards. This and the Hermit. And I love, well, so far, well, I do. I love every choice she made in this deck. I love the keywords. I love the images. Everything she did with this deck is just wonderful. It's edged in this really, really deep. It's almost like a really deep eggplant color maybe, or yeah, it's almost black, but not. It's not black. It's beautiful, beautiful edging. It's matte, so it's really smooth. I love it. Love all of her choices. I know I keep saying how much I love it, but it's just such an amazing deck. Now, you have to keep in mind, I'm not great at shuffling a full-size deck, so we'll see how I do. Wow. Oh, I knew she wouldn't let me down on the cardstock, and she did not. It's amazing. Okay. This deck is absolutely gorgeous. There is not a guidebook included with the deck, but there's a QR code to download the digital guidebook. Honestly, I don't think you need a guidebook for this. I don't think I do, because the keywords are so much in line with what I use. And the images are just so clear for every card. You can just look at it and know what it is. And if you do need to check, you can, but it's just an amazing deck. And I am so happy to have it, and I'm so happy to share it with you. Go check out Cassie's channel and her shop, and give her all the love, because she deserves it. She's a beautiful person, and I'm just so thrilled for her and thrilled for me that I have this. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough. See you in the next one. Bye for now.